In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add expandable sections with the expand macro in Confluence. Expandable sections are a great way to keep your pages clean and easy to scan. They let you tuck away details like long instructions, FAQs, or supporting screenshots, so readers can open them only when they need them. Here's how to set one up from start to finish and a few simple tips to make it work smoothly. Start by opening the Confluence page where you want to use the expand feature. Make sure you're on the right page and that you have permission to edit it. Once you're there, click Edit to switch into the page editor. You'll see your content in an editable view where you can place new elements. Next, place your cursor exactly where you want the expandable content to appear. This location matters because the macro will be inserted right at the cursor, and it will move your existing content accordingly. A good rule of thumb is to position it just below a heading that describes what will be inside the expandable section, so readers immediately know what to expect. Now type a / followed by the word expand. As you type, Confluence brings up a quick insert menu. From that menu, select the expand macro. You'll see a new expandable block appear in the editor. It's an on-page container that can hold almost anything you would normally put on a Confluence page. Add the content you want to show or hide inside this block. You can type normal text, paste in instructions, or include images, tables, and code snippets. Keep the content clear and scannable. If you're sharing a long process, consider short paragraphs and descriptive subheadings inside the expand so readers can find what they need quickly. Remember that everything in this block stays hidden until someone clicks to expand it, so it's perfect for details that aren't essential at first glance. When you're done, publish the page. After it loads, click the expandable section to test it. It should open smoothly to reveal your content and collapse again when you click it a second time. If something isn't where you expected it, go back to Edit, adjust the cursor position or the content inside the block, and publish again. A quick test like this ensures your page is tidy and that the most important information stays front and center. That's it. Your Confluence page now has a clean, professional, expandable section that keeps readers focused while still giving them full access to the details when they need them.